What are you doing right now, huh? You standing up on the couch? I mean, yes? Karis, you look like you have the most stylish haircut. Little pixie cut. How is it standing? Are you having fun? Beanlet. Karis. Hi! Careful! It's hard work standing up, huh? But it sure is fun. You got a lot of toys on the ground over there, huh? Trying to figure out which ones you want to go play with? No? Just contemplating things? Oh yeah? Does that say I'm ready for dinner, Mom?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying? Huh? Eddie. Huh?